Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to Programming with Swift. Today we're going to be learning how to delete derived data. This is quite an easy task. All we need to do is go up to the menu bar, click on Xcode, and then go to Preferences. Once you see the Preferences window open, let's click on Locations, and then you'll have to click on this little arrow over here. That'll open up Finder, that'll open up the path which you have clicked on. To show you derived data. If you click in there, we'll see our projects, and then there's just like this cache folder as well, but it's not too important. So what I'm going to do now is, before we delete the folder, I am going to quit Xcode. And we quit Xcode because otherwise we can delete the derived data, but Xcode will recreate it immediately. And sometimes that doesn't fix the issues that we're having if it's a derived data issue. So what I'm going to do now is delete it. I'm also going to empty it from trash because I've had the issue before where I have deleted derived data here, but not from trash, and it didn't fix my issue in Xcode until I deleted it from trash. So I'm just going to delete this or empty the bin, and then we can go back to Xcode, open up the project, and you can see as soon as we have opened up our project, Xcode has recreated the derived data and we have all the folders back. But this will obviously be cleaned because we deleted the previous stuff. If this video has been helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have found a different fix to whatever your issue was, please leave it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.